Step inside Villa Luna, a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa spanning 4 levels. Here, ocean views will captivate and delight you from each floor. With close to 4,500 square feet, privacy and luxury living are a guarantee. A bedroom with ensuite bathroom on the entry level provides convenience for mobility impaired family members or visitors. Upstairs, the impressive principal suite, with its ocean view balcony and oversized bathroom with walk-in closet, is an absolute dream come true. You'll find another guest suite on this level with its own ensuite bathroom. However, it's the rooftop pool terrace that is the villa's real showstopper. Think panoramic ocean views, bird song, and the gentle rustling of the palm-covered jungle that surrounds. The 4th bedroom is a large studio with its own private access. A kitchen, living area, ensuite bathroom, and its own washing machine and dryer make it completely independent. Contact us today to arrange a private showing of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.